Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of RC Recreation Diecast. I know I'm doing a lot of diecast. My RC fans, please be patient. I will be putting up RC content, I promise. Alright guys, for now, another exciting RLC has come in the mail, and in fact, it's the official RLC, I guess, membership car of 2025. I get a little cool Hot Wheels pin with the actual vehicle in the center of it. It comes with a patch that says RLC 25 for 2025. And the car is, we'll get to that. I wanted to share some of the other RLCs that I have. Going back when I first got my my Miura, this guy over here, I was saying how my only RLC I had was my other Lamborghini, which wasn't really true. I had a couple others. I got one of my most favorite muscle cars of all time. It has to be my number one, a 69 Dodge Charger in a beautiful Spectre Flame purple, as you will see. I am a huge Batman fan. I'll get you some shots of my Batman shrine that I have. All my Batman collection basically hung up all together on cards. So I have, of course, the RLC Batmobile. This year I went to the Toronto International Auto Show. Walmart had their Hot Wheels pop-up at the auto show, where if you went in and spent at least $50 worth of Hot Wheels merchandise, you got to choose between some muddy fire truck, monster truck, and this wicked mail-away green Unimog. I believe that's the mail-away number one for 2025. I got the 80th anniversary of Mattel Cool Combi, a 2-pack, which was the SIL 80 and the Nissan 180, yes, I can't remember. And I also got a 1/43rd scale, my first 1/43rd scale. It's number 17, which is the last one released for 2024. And it's the blue R34 Skyline. It's a really, really cool model as well. Let's get to this. I mean, the real reason we're here, right? Let's open this sucker up, see what it looks like. I haven't told you what the car is on purpose yet, so I know what it is. And it's funny because I actually used to own a similar vehicle. This is the, well, let me open it up first. Funny, this one came shipped without the extra packaging. It just came in this box this time. If you saw my last two RLC unboxings, this box was inside of another box. So scaling down on the packaging, which isn't a bad thing, as long as it comes in good order. Oh, there it is. Wow, look at that beauty. 1995 Honda Integra Type R. This is a little nostalgic for me. I shouldn't say I had this vehicle, but I had a vehicle very similar to this. I mean, of course, this is the model that everybody wants when you're driving in a lower model. I had the Acura Integra. This is a right-hand drive J.D.M, so Japanese domestic market model. They don't have Acura in Japan, so this is the Honda Integra Type R. And of course, this is also the coupe, the 2-door. The one I had was a 4-door, but still, nonetheless, it was a pretty cool car, man. And this is a really cool car to add to my collection. There's that little Mattel patch on the bottom. No, sorry, that's the pin. And then the RLC patch is back here. RLC 25 for 2025. I think they're still available as I make this video. I thought it was going to sell out right away because of it's a J.D.M, but I think they're still available for anybody that wants one. This thing is wicked. Look at the color of that, man. Wow. Thank you so much for joining me on this Diecast unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. I know I sure did. And I hope you'll, if you haven't subscribed already, I know a lot of you viewers are not subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Hit the notification bell and you'll be notified right away when I get another RLC in my possession. And I hope you come along for the ride, because so far it's been pretty freaking amazing. I'm so impressed with these models, man. The finishes are just that Spectre Flame. And I'm not talking Spectre Flame like you see on a Super Treasure Hunt, which is nice, don't get me wrong. This is a totally different level of Spectre Flame paint. And if you've never seen an RLC up close before, I highly, highly recommend you go to a show and have a look at one of these or something. Because seeing them on a computer screen, it doesn't do them any justice. But when you see them under lights right in front of you, right, even inside these protective plastics, that Spectre Flame, man, it just pops. It just pops, no matter what color it is. No matter what you're doing, don't forget, keep on RCing, keep on die casting, and keep on keeping on. Ciao for now.